Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do not make templates like this. Instead, try this. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video. So first of all, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. So first of all, we're gonna go to Smart Art, and from here, let's go to Relationship and insert this third last shape. Then what we're gonna do is insert more shapes and by clicking on Add Shape. Now we have like six shapes, 6 to 7 shapes. Then what we're gonna do is change it to shape, ungroup them, and then add half of a rectangle on half of it. Give it some transparency so that we can see when we have it covering half of the other shapes. Then we're gonna remove this transparency, select all of these shapes. First of all, let's ungroup the background shape. Now select all of these, including the rectangle, go to merge options and click on fragment. Here we go. Now we have these shapes like half cutting. So now let's remove this shape. You can either just cut it or click on backspace after selecting it. Next, what we're going to do is remove its line from no line option in the format shape. Then we are going to give like the colors, different colors to all of these. Let me use different colors. I have already included like I have already included a color palette in my template so that I can easily pick like from using color picker and eyedropper, I can easily pick that color for my shape. So next, after giving the color, what we're gonna do is go to shapes, select these shapes, go to shape format. We're gonna go to like the shadow and give it the final last shadow. Next, increase its distance and also increase its blur, angle to 180, blur to 20, and size to 100. Now let's change the background fill to black. Perfect. Next, what we're going to do is send each of the shapes to the back. And after giving animations, this is the final result. After adding the text, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.